Exchanging volumes and market movement on cryptographic money trades have expanded decisively, and the approach to Ethereum's change to Ethereum 2.0, named the consolidation. FTX, a digital currency trade settled in the Bahamas, is the third biggest trade by exchanging volume, starting around the 9th of September. FTT Steam had recently dropped to a 52-week low of $21.15 on the 15th of June 2022, inferable from the crypto market complete implosion. At the hour of composing, the worth had to some degree recuperated, and FTX was exchanging at $27.54, down around 68% from its unsurpassed excessive cost of $85.02 on the 9th of September 2021. FTX contends with laid-out industry Goliaths like Coinbase and Binance, among others, making the business extremely cutthroat. Moreover, the rising requirement for crypto administration and administrative prerequisites all through the globe has set crypto trades in a predicament. Even with such serious contest and a continuing bear market, how might FTT toll against its opponents? Here we investigate the coin's cost examination and the most recent FTX cost forecast. What is the FTX token? FTX is a digital currency fates and utilized tokens trade that likewise permits over-the-counter exchanging. The crypto plans to furnish a stage with cutting-edge highlights for proficient dealers while staying natural enough for new clients. The elements incorporate guarantee, liquidation cycles, and support edges as well as item postings. FTX offers utilized tokens, which permit brokers to open utilized positions without expecting to acquire assets on edge. The tokens are ERC20 viable, so they can be recorded on any spot digital currency trade. FTX's liquidation motor plans to diminish the probability of clawbacks truly happening. Not at all like different subordinates trades where clients can lose a lot of assets. As per a FTX blog entry, on the off chance that a client has a utilized prospect's position on and markets move against their record sufficient that their net resource esteem is negative, then, at that point, somebody needs to pay for that shortfall. And in crypto, you can't repossess resources from the bankrupt record's proprietor from outside the framework, so you're left with different clients, the clients who aren't getting exchanged, taking care of everything. Like most liquidation motors, the one FTX utilizes begins by identifying when a client has dipped under the upkeep edge. Not at all like numerous different stages, it picks savvy, proficient qualities for these. The trade sends sensible, volume-restricted liquidation orders to shut down places that dip under support edge. In the event that there is a huge liquidation and markets are dropping down quickly, liquidity suppliers dominate and fence their books on different trades to forestall a logical Chapter 11. As the FTX digital currency, FTT is the foundation of the environment, guidelines and as far as possible subordinates exchanging. So FTX offers a different site for US clients where FTT isn't accessible. On the 25th of October 2021, FTX finished the obtaining of US-based LedgerX, a subordinates organization directed by the Where Prospects Exchanging Commission. With the conclusion of the deal and by understanding for this procurement, FTX US will acquire a CFTC-directed assigned agreement market, trade execution office, and subordinates clearing association. These will be accessible to both retail and institutional financial backers 24/7 and offer block exchanging and algorithmic exchanging, amazing open doors for institutional financial backers, said FTX. LedgerX was rebranded to FTX US subsidiaries. Globally, FTX records spot FTT, USD, FTT, USDT, and FTT, BTC matches for exchanging. The FTT token is additionally recorded on the Binance, Bitfinex, BitMax, CoinEx, Huobi, and WazirX trades. FTX clients that hold FTT tokens get refunds on their exchanging charges, a level-based structure from 3% for possessions of something like $100 up to 60% for property of $5 M. Clients can likewise stake FTT to get a higher level of the exchanging expenses of clients they elude. Producer charge refunds notwithstanding the standard charge limits, chances to win free non-fungible token, reward administration votes, expanded airdrop remunerates, various free ERC20 and Ether withdrawals each day, and tickets for beginning trade contributions facilitated on FTX. FTX repurchases and consumes FTT tokens, supporting its worth. It purchases tokens equivalent to 33% of the exchanging charges produced, 10% of the net increments to the fence store, and 5% of expenses acquired from different purposes of the stage. FTX purchases the tokens on its FTT, USD market and consumes them week after week. FTX is upheld by a lambda exploration, as indicated by the organization's white paper. A lambda exploration is a quantitative cryptographic money exchanging business zeroed in on giving liquidity the crypto and computerized resource market. FTX has been one of the quickest developing digital forms of money since its commencement, yielding a profit from venture of 2,652%, as indicated by CoinMarketCap, in light of the earliest accessible cost information from 2019. The FTT token cost declined from $1.78 to its unequaled low of 83 cents on the 7th of September 2019. It then, at that point, picked up speed and shut the year at $2.14. The symbolic cost was respectably bullish all through 2020, and rolling gains of 169%. It began the year at $2.14 and shut at $5.77. FTX coin news and cost drivers. FTX has gone through various significant achievements and advancements recently, which might influence the FTX token cost. Interest in Miston Labs. FTX put $300 in Miston Labs, a Web3 framework business and engineer of the Sui Layer 1 blockchain, in September 2022. The returns of the venture will be utilized to keep assembling the center foundation that will uphold Web3's up-and-coming age of applications and speed up the Sui environment's reception. FTX cost expectation focuses for 2022 to 2030. As interest for digital currencies extends, the requirement for incorporated and decentralized trades could areas of strength for stay. Looks good for trades with a significant portion of the overall industry, like FTX, and thusly for the FTT coin viewpoint. Moreover, CNBC revealed in August 2022 that the spilled financials showed a 1,000% increment in FTX's income. Subsequent to producing under $90 in 2020, the trade purportedly created more than $1 billion in 2021 as the worth of digital money arrived at an untouched high. Be that as it may, the circulation of FTX tokens isn't exactly decentralized since the main 100 holders hold 99.1% of tokens, as indicated by CoinCard, since the biggest wallet holder controls 52.71% of the whole stockpile. This digital money is truly defenseless to siphon and dump plans. As per the FTX crypto cost expectation in view of specialized examination, starting around the 11th of August, the coin cost could increment by 6.42% to reach $29.28 by the 16th of September. A few calculation-based estimating administrations were blended in their drawn-out FTX cost expectation starting around the 9th of September. As per FTX cost expectation for 2022 expressed, the coin could be a terrible long-haul venture. It anticipated that the normal cost should hit $7.27 before the year's over and further decay to 10 cents by September 2027. FTX coin cost expectation had the typical cost at $35.77 for 2022. It saw it ascending to $62.49 in 2023 and $84.18 in 2024. Its FTX cost expectation for 2025 proposed the symbolic cost could additionally develop to $111.39 in 2025, $273.46 in 2029, and $382.86 in 2030. FTT token cost expectation had the typical cost at $35.49 in 2022 and $107.73 in 2025.